Well, good morning, Miss B. You ready for me to come join you for a little bit? Yeah? Gotta do some stretching. Tell everybody hi. Good morning, baby. Good morning. I hope everybody's had a nice little break from us. We were blessed enough to harvest a few deer off our place and enjoyed Thanksgiving with family. Miss B enjoyed Thanksgiving, of course. Miss B's not going to let me get to the chickens. We need to worry about you first and then the chickens. Okay. Now that we got Miss B satisfied with her lovin's, I think. Well, maybe. These little ladies are doing fantastic. Huh? Y'all ready to get out this morning? Come on, Franny. Lucy, Betty, Esther, and Ethel, and Floki, and Karen. Good morning. Floki has finally found his voice and has become a man. He has started fertilizing some eggs for us. Miss Betty has started laying, and they're almost a little bit of a shade of pink. So we're getting on average of at least 2 eggs a day right now, which isn't bad considering the cold fronts that we've had coming in. As you can tell, they get plenty of scraps of celery and pumpkins. Good morning. How is everybody? Hi, Miss Betty. How are you? This one here still needs a name. That's Miss Esther right there. Hi, Floki. How are you, buddy? Good morning. Good morning. Are you ready for some scratch? Huh? If you look, it's actually everywhere. Yeah. As you can tell, they have become very skittish of me. But they are very skittish when strangers come around. Good morning, Franny. You would think they've never ate before in their life. My wife has a couple of hookups on a lot of greenery and lettuce and stuff like that, so she's constantly bringing home different things for them. So they usually get fresh greens of some sort every day on top of their scratch. They got so much in the house there they don't need any more. Let me go over here and see what Mama has in the pile for y'all. Look what I got. Get you some. Here, Betty, you want some? Pull you some out. Lucy? Was that a trick, Franny? You do it again? Silly bird. There you go, Esther. It's okay. It's okay. What about you, Floki? You up for some greens this morning, bud? she'll bring home piles of kale and... Oops, sorry, Betty. We are during our, we'll call it deer hunting intermission. The major gun season was just over. We've got another muzzleloader for 3 days coming up this weekend. Excuse me. And then after this 3 days, then we got another break until after Christmas. So hopefully during that time I can focus on the foundation over here. Ooh, and then be ready for spring to get here. We are so ready to go in the dry. The lumber prices have been coming down a little bit, but nowhere near where they need to be back down to. A lot of stuff is still double what it's been in the past in the last year or so before COVID. So what normally would cost somebody $10,000 worth of lumber now is going to hit you close to 20, and here recently was up toward 30. What are you after, Miss B? I've had a pretty good sized pack of coyotes hanging out pretty close. I got a little bit of footage of those hollering last night up here. B ran them off. They were just right here on the other side of the road, but they came circling around. But B ain't gonna have it, not for Miss B. You want to say bye, B? Or you just want a belly rub? Oh, you lazy bum. You had a good day, Miss B? Have you had a good day, Miss B? These crazy chickens running everywhere. Hey, if y'all want to go ahead and jump in that smoker, I'll fire it up. Oh, is that what you needed, baby? Sun's starting to go down. I'm done for the day. Go over here and check on the eggs real quick. Oh, Miss B, you think anybody laid any eggs? Bunch of slackers for the day. We got that end wall done today, and a few on this other, and then the weather should be nice the next couple of days, and as long as I'm not too sore from today's activities, I'll be able to start on that again tomorrow. Time will tell. But other than that, you got anything else, Miss B? Huh? You got anything else, Miss B? You just want levels. Is that all you want? Say bye, Miss B. Say we'll see you next time.